So here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, we just had a blizzard. And I'm trying to show you guys, this is my first look outside of it. It's almost up to that guy's my neighbor's window. But I don't know if you guys can tell how high this is. This is only right outside my window. There's my air conditioner. There's the snow. The snow is higher than the air conditioner and it just goes right across.
His dog was having a blast.
Really? This is a lot of snow. A lot. We'll go check out the front. I don't have any boots. Dang. And it goes all the way down there. Dang. It's a perfect wall.
Yeah. Looks like you stuck her up.
Oh, it's slippery.
Yeah, this floor is always...
Oh. Here is some more snow from in the front of my house. And it just comes over like that, almost up to these windows here. Just goes down all the way down to the street. It's pretty much a winter wonderland. Very deep snow. They're a little snowy. I don't know if you guys can see this. You guys